How we doing today? My name's Corey, and I'd like to thank you for checking out my page. And before we get started, the links to this opportunity is in the bottom of the description. We're going to be going over Infinity Processing System and My Lead Gen Secret as a traffic source, which is a bulk traffic mailer that allows you to have 100 leads per day that can easily rack up to thousands of leads as long as you stay with the system. So what you'll do is mail every day your email to this bulk mailer, and it sends out an email to your email list that you earn 100 leads per day. And if you bring someone on with you, you'll gain 200 leads per day. So I have videos of that in my inside of my channel. Go to the channel, check it out, and real quick, let's jump into this. So I've been learning through Infinity Processing System. What it is a course that teaches you attraction marketing, so that way you attract leads to you and people to you to want to see what your opportunity is and what you have to offer. Highly recommend it. The training in the back office is terrific. The easy step-by-step following is very simple to understand, and I believe this is to be one of the best newbie friendly opportunities there is out there to teach you how to start marketing and become a affiliate marketer through attraction marketing. So let's jump right into it. I want to go over into my back office. I want to show you copy 2072, copy our system and earn money from home, receive 100% commissions. Now I tweaked this up just a little bit here inside of the statement, so that way when the email go out, that Google don't bounce it into the spam folder or into the promotional file folder. So this way you want to be able to rank inside of your primary folder when it comes to email, so that way you can get eyeballs and people will see your email a lot faster than they will ever in the spam folder, unless you direct them to that or into the update or into the promotional folder. So I used this copy that they give you, 72 out of 200 pre-written ads, and I actually used it in My Lead Gen Secret as a subject line. And again, I said I tweaked it up a little bit here, so that way the word money is not in you don't want to use that in your header line, because again, it'll likely throw it into spam. So I did change it up a little bit. Told them, copy our system is earn directly payments, receive 100% commissions, and I sent them this email here. Now that went out yesterday, 9/02/2023, and they're still opening up this mail, so there's still other people that will possibly click through and want to join this opportunity as well. I'm going to go over here I'm going to cover up the email address for privacy purposes. I received this email yesterday, September 2nd at 3:15, not only within a couple hours of mailing 209 of mailing this system out. Someone contacted me through email, says Amanda Webb, copy our system and earn direct pay, receiving 100% commissions. You guys see that? That is the same subject line, 27, and again I tweaked it up just a little bit. That's sitting here in my bulk mailer with My Lead Gen Secret, that Miss Amanda is reaching out to me and she's asking, she says, hey, I got your message through my Hotmail about earning $600 to $1,500 per month, and I would like to receive more information about the six-figure blueprint and anything else that will help me get started with this. And I did reply to her, send her a little bit more information. here, send out a little bit more information, details, website, how to get contact with me through Facebook. I'll have my Facebook contact also in the lead, in the bottom, in the link of the description of this video. If you want to get started with me with Infinity Processing System, I do have other videos that's on my channel showing you that these pre-written ads work. They work, and they do attract the perfect customer to you. So when you go to the link for Infinity Process System, you're gonna come to this page here, enter your name and your best email, and please do look out for me in the spam folder, look out for me in the update folder. When you send your information through, you're gonna get some email follow-ups with me with other special bonuses and other special resources to help you get going in your online business and your online journey today. That's my segment for today. Again, I said I'm going to keep this video short and sweet for you. And hey, Mr. Famba, the leads are coming from my lead gen secret. I'll talk with you later. So again, those links in the bottom of the description. Before I get out of here, to get started with me at the 300 per day, at the 300 level, what I'm going to do is pay your website admin fee. It's a $35 admin fee. I'm going to pay that admin fee, and I'm going to send 100 clicks to your website to start getting eyeballs on your website to get you going right off the bat. Again, my Facebook contact is in the description also. Please do connect with me. I like enjoying and talking with other people and knowing your story. I want to learn your story and who you are. Also, if you want to know more about my lead gen secret, that link too is in the bottom of the description. Remember, I do want to throw this out there that this is a time limited offer. This is time limited. It's the second. This video will be around till the 15th, and then I'm going to take this video down. So if you want to get in the offer, if you're seeing this video right now, please do take time, click the link, go through the information, contact with me through Facebook, and I'd love to talk with you and get you started on your journey. It's me, Corey Norris, in a nutshell. I'll get with you guys later. Peace.